So the first part of it is the mega shore or high shore, or it's affectionately known as the dance floor. It's a temporary work platform that will build off of that to build up using what's called frame fast or sky deck. It has many names itself, but that'll create the working platform that the iron workers will then go out and put the rebar in the formwork, and then we'll pour on top of that and start pouring the actual concrete roof of the structure. So the concrete lid, the concrete roof of the reservoir sits atop the walls and obviously the columns that we poured within the reservoir, and it closes off the vessel of the reservoir. And then what they'll do after it's all been poured is they'll go back underneath, standing on the dance floor, and strip down that frame fast system, and you'll be able to stand feet on the dance floor looking up at the underside of the newly poured concrete reservoir lid. We've got our last column pour in cell 2 this Friday, so the roof mega shore, the dance floor, is chasing the columns, and the columns are now leaving cell 2 at the end of this week, and they're progressing further into cell 1, so that dance floor and mega shore can continue to chase that column activity.